day, everybody. I am Marisi Yamu. I'm an actress from this part of Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Bright Ota International Nigeria Limited presents Classic Merit Awards 2019. Classics Merit Awards 2019 is an award to honor distinguished ladies and gentlemen, home and abroad. On that day, we are honoring wonderful men, great men that have contributed to our general living on the day. And the date is 14th December 2019. And the venue is Multi-Links Event Center, 30 former Omega Church, Florida, Spain. And on that day, we have a lot of performing artists, wonderful artists on that day with the likes of Sunshine Mokua, Gloria Bass, Mike Ligro, Stanley Lights, and so many wonderful artists performing live. Please, sweethearts, I want you all to come out on that day to come celebrate with us. And please do not forget the date, 14th December 2019. I love you.